Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sipan Matre, and today I'm going to unbox this new oracle cards that I have got from Amazon. It's Archangel Gabriel oracle cards, and luckily I got it on Amazon. It's from the US, alright, and let's open it. It comes in this sturdy box. All right, there is a book as well, which comprises of the meaning of the cards. Then there is this deck. All right, now it has got a nice golden frame to it. Now let's open it. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see the cards one by one. Okay, agent manager, allow yourself to receive, authenticity, blocks lifted, creative expression, deserving, divine guidance, express your inner truth, happy news, helping children, journaling, law of attraction, listen only to love, Mother Mary, new project, open your heart to love, perfectionism, recognition, sensitivity, share your art with the world, stay true to yourself, success, vision board, vulnerability, writers group. Lovely. The cards are quite sturdy, and the back design is also very beautiful. It shows Archangel Gabriel. Now, the ones who do not know who Archangel Gabriel is, she is one of the powerful archangels. For some, it's a she, for some, it's a he, as angels do not have gender. And she looks after conception, children, people whose life purpose is children, people whose life purpose is communication. So she's the one, who really helps. Oh, there is one. Okay, I fixed it. No worries. They're little ear kind of, tilted at the edge. The edge is a little bit maybe while packaging. So let me give you a quick pick a card reading, that is quick message from this deck. All right, message for group 1 from Archangel Gabriel, message for group 2 from Archangel Gabriel, and message from group 3 from Archangel Gabriel. Okay, so let's see. Oh, you got 2 cards. All right, editor and divine guidance. Okay, so I feel that you guys are into some sort of communication, and the angels have been guiding you. They have been telling you that what you need to come up in terms of creative projects. So either you're into writing or some sort of creativity, and the angels are giving you all kinds of guidance. So listen to them. As you are going to listen to them, the work that you are doing is going to turn out really well, and it will benefit not only you but others as well. So do listen to the divine guidance that is helping you, especially in your work. Also, the ones who have a passion to write but are not writing big, or you have a passion to make YouTube videos to inspire others, but you are not doing it because you feel you don't have the content. Please understand that Archangel Gabriel is with you. She will give you the content that you need to create an amazing work. Okay, now let's see message for group 2. Message for group 2 is vulnerability. So you guys have been feeling quite sensitive, and you have been not able to focus properly. Okay, so I also feel that you guys have been having sleepless nights. So Archangel Gabriel is with you. She will help you to communicate with yourself in a very nice manner, which will give the support and the strength that you need. So call upon Archangel Gabriel and help her, and ask her to help you out to turn your vulnerability into your strength. Okay, now message for, oh, even my group 3 got 2 cards, birth and authenticity. Okay, Very nice card. So definitely there are going to be new beginnings in group three's life. There is going to be happy news coming your way. People are trying for a child. Will there is a high probability of some of you becoming parents. Okay, however, you need to be yourself. All right, you tend to kind of camouflage the real you, so don't do that. Okay, let the real you shine, because there is nobody like you. Okay, and definitely there is going to be a new beginnings in which you will have a lot of support from the angelic realm. All right, so guys, since group 2, okay, got only one message, I feel compelled to remove one more card, okay, for them. So let's see, one more card for group 2. Oh my god, see, that's why you should never pull two cards, because both the cards are saying the same thing: vulnerability and sensitivity. Okay, so use your sensitivity to create new things, because at times your sensitivity can inspire you to bring the best in yourself and others. All right, so this was your message from my new deck, Archangel Gabriel. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini pick a card reading.